Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's todayinlighting.com. Thursday, 8 January. We're sponsored by Elite Lighting, innovating safer, efficient lighting since 1998. If you enjoy Today in Lighting, please hit the like button. Here are the stories making news. Teron Lighting, a longtime U.S. manufacturer and an early friend of the Edison Report, has closed its doors, ending decades of trusted relationships amid market pressures, tariffs, and competitive challenges. Another sign of the industry's increasingly unforgiving landscape. Learn more at edisonreport.com. The Q4 2025 Pulse of Lighting report shows a largely flat quarter amid tariff pressures, slow approvals, and intense pricing competition. While 2025 ended with limited growth, cautious optimism and targeted opportunities are shaping a modest outlook for 2026. We link to that report at edisonreport.com. A Norwegian study found that psychiatric patients exposed to blue-blocked evening lighting experienced greater clinical improvement and reduced aggression. This reinforces evidence that human-centric lighting can positively support mental health care without added risks or staffing demands. Read that article at designinglightingglobal.com. Radionic High-Tech has introduced its XZE 5000 dB LED exit sign retrofit kit, allowing existing exit signs to be quickly converted to energy-efficient LED technology without full replacement. Approved in Chicago and New York, the kit installs in under 9 minutes and delivers long-term cost and energy savings. Details at edisonreport.com. Yesterday, the Dow was down 466 points. NASDAQ eked out a small gain of 37 points. Penguin Solutions, the company that owns Cree LED, dropped nearly 14%. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great day. Pray for peace.